everybody, welcome back to Crochet by Landry. In this video today, we are just going to do something simple. We're going to do an unboxing from Hobbii. I got my package a few days ago, so let's head to the craft table and see what's inside. All right, everybody, let's unbox this package that I got from Hobbii. Let's open it up and see. Okay, and let's just dump out all of this lovely yarn. Oh, that's the bill. We'll take a look at that in a second. So here's all the yarn I got. Okay. There we go. Now, as you can see, some of it is cotton and some of it is acrylic. It's Rainbow brand, 100% cotton by Hobbii. This color is color number 53. And as you can see, it's a nice yellow and it's really pretty and it's really nice and soft. Then I also have a black, which is color number 9. And a green, which is color number 84. And then I've got a red and a pink and a white. And then I've got the acrylic brand, which is also very nice and very soft. It's 100% acrylic. This one's called Amigo. And this is color number 5. And this one is color number 3, and it's also Amigo. And I will be using both of these in a video in the coming weeks. So check it out. And that's it for today, everybody. With the holidays around the corner, thought just a simple unboxing would be fun. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content, and I will see you after the holidays.